This video will form a quick introduction to the comparison diagram. You can create a comparison diagram by going to the Explore ribbon and then within the Diagrams area choosing Comparison Diagram. You'll see here you can compare files, nodes and cases. It's important to note that unlike with a project map, when you are comparing something with the comparison diagram, you can only compare two things. That would be two files, two nodes, or two cases. I'm going to demonstrate this by comparing two cases. First of all, I'm going to bring in one of the interview respondents, Barbara, and I'm going to add in Dorothy, and then click OK. My comparison diagram is generated. We can see, if we zoom in, that we have Barbara on the left and Dorothy on the right. The things that are common to both of them appear in the middle. In this case, the things unique to Dorothy appear on the right, and the things unique to Barbara appear on the left. You can see this includes files coded, codes coding, memo links, relationships, and a whole range of other things. If you look at the top of the comparison diagram ribbon, you can turn these on and off as relevant. I'm going to turn off relationships and files coded and memo links, helping me really focus on the coding differences between these two participants. There are limitations on what I can really add to this diagram. If you need anything more complicated, you should use a project map. However, if you are just comparing two units, this is ideal and comes with a really good layout to help you see the differences. If you're happy with this, you can right click and choose to export the diagram, and you can save it in a range of popular picture formats for use elsewhere. Why don't you see what you can find out with the comparison diagram today?